Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see a healthy dessert recipe, Beetroot Halwa. It's good for hemoglobin content of our blood. The ingredients needed for Beetroot Halwa are beetroot 1 kg, sugar 400 grams, ghee 100 grams. Firstly, we have to clean it, wash it and then peel off the skin and grate it and keep it aside. In a pan, pour the ghee 2 to 3 spoons. Once it is heated, transfer the grated beetroot into it and allow it to cook. If you need, you can add little more of ghee. If you are not that much diet conscious, you can very well add whatever amount of ghee to your taste. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can add the sugar. After adding the sugar, you can very well mix it and check the sweet taste of the mix. Some beetroots taste very sweet. In that case, you can just reduce the amount of sugar or you can increase the amount based on the taste of the beetroot. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes again. See to that it doesn't stick to the pan. You can add milk. This is a tip I am giving you. If you are going to store it, better don't add milk, or you can add milk for taste. And now the beetroot halwa is ready. If you like the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.